The license management platform allows you to view, add, and manage licenses under your organization. You can manage accounts in bulk here, which should save you some time. To add multiple accounts at once, you can use our batch import template. Click Batch Import at the top of the page, then Download Template. Fill in the spreadsheet for all users that you want to add. Please note the fields required are the account email, the user's name, what package they will be on, and for how long. Usually it's a student license, but you can choose to input research for the package. Please be aware of your research license limit. You can see these in the license management platform. We have some sample data in there so you know how to begin. Make sure you remove the top 3 rows from the sheet before you upload it again. When you've input the information, save the sheet to your computer, go back to Nutritics and upload the spreadsheet by clicking Upload Modified Template. Finally, import the users by selecting Import Users. These licenses are now added and just need to be activated. You can do this in bulk by clicking the button at the top of the page here. Then select Activate All Users. You can filter users in the platform by what reference code they use to sign up. This is used by those signing up via a sign-up page specific to your organization. You can also create the codes by clicking on Org Settings. Once someone signs up with the code, you can click the drop-down arrow beside reference and it will show all users under your selected code. That's it for now. Let our support team at support@nutritics.com know if you have any questions.